Honey, stop the car. This solid brick construction home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms along with 2 kitchens on 3 levels of living. Both kitchens are updated and have gleaming granite countertops along with granite and glass backsplashes and stainless steel appliances. All 3 bedrooms are on 1 level and have meticulous hardwood flooring throughout them. Solid wood doors and trimming throughout the home. Recently renovated lower level, perfect for entertaining, and features a recreation area, full bathroom, kitchen, and built-in dry bar area, and leads directly to the backyard. Forget about concrete patios. This home's patio was paved in granite slabs. Enjoy the covered custom-built cinder block pizza hut as well while you're back there, and plenty of storage with 2 sheds. With all that, you still have plenty of garden and green space with your back and side.